Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to the science class. This is your science teacher. I am going to take science of class 5. Yes children, as we have already started term 2, lesson 1, we are going to continue the same in this class also. So before starting, please take out your semester 2 science textbook, your new notebook for semester 2, your pencils and erasers, keep along with you and listen to my lesson carefully. Yes, in the previous class I have already started lesson number 1 in term 2 soil. In that class we have already learned what is soil. Soil is the uppermost or the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Why is soil important for us? Yes, it is important for the survival and growth of a plant. It is a home for the insects and microorganisms. Yes, it anchors the roots of the plant, it holds the roots of the plant. Why it holds? So that the plant stays stiff, it doesn't fall down, it stays firm. Yes, in the previous classes we have learned about that. In today's class, formation of soil, how soils are formed. Yes, we are going to see this lesson. Yes, it's on page number 195. Formation of soil. Formation means it undergoes some process. It has some for soil formation. We have some process. Okay, that process is known as weathering. What is weathering, children? The process. For forming a soil, we have some process. The process for formation of soil. What is the process? This is a process how soil is formed. This is a process. First happens this and fourth happens this. This is a process, okay, for formation of a soil. You have a process. That process is known as weathering. Yes, this process includes breaking of soil or breaking of rocks and materials. From breaking to how it becomes a soil. In this formation, in this process, we are going to see. Yes, weathering is what? Weathering is what? Breaking of rocks and minerals. Yes, how the rocks are broken down and how they will become soil, we are going to see this. Yes, let's see page number 195. Weathering is the process of formation of soil. Soil is formed due to breaking up of large rocks into small particles. So formation of soil process includes breaking of large rocks into small particles. Yes. From large rocks, how they become small particles, we are going to see. It takes millions of years for every small amount of soil to form You know children, soil is not very easy to make. It takes millions of years to make a soil. Yes, this process goes on for millions of years. Yes, it takes a long period of time to form a soil. Yes, soil is formed from rocks. Yes, soil is formed from rocks. What are rocks, children? Big stones. These are the rocks. Soils are formed from these rocks. Yes, continuous and prolonged exposure of rocks. Yes. So, continuous and prolonged exposure of rocks to run, rain, sunshine and wind. Rain, the rock is exposed to sun, rocks are exposed to rain, yes, rain and wind. So, because it is continuous and prolonged, continuously the sun rays fall on rocks, right? Continuously, every year we have rain, wind blows on continuously. Yes, continuous and prolonged exposure of rocks to rain, sunshine and wind causes them to crack and break into small pieces. So children, these are the rocks when sun's rays and the winds and the rain. These are the winds and this is the rain. When all this when all these are exposed to the rocks, what are rocks in it? Rocks are the small stones. When the sun, when the wind and when the rain exposed to the rock breaks down. Yes? Breaks down into small pieces. So the big rock, this is a rock, it comes into small pieces. It breaks down and comes into small pieces. Yes? These smaller pieces are further break down until a powdery mass is formed. Yes, now these stones are again break down till it becomes a powdery mass. From rocks crack and they break down into small particles. The small particles are again break down and made into small mass. Yes? Until the powdery mass is formed. This is the powdery mass. This is known as formation of a soil. This is known as weathering. From large rocks, they break it into the small, they crack and break into the small particles. From these small particles are break down until it becomes a powdery mass. Small powdery mass. Yes, the powdery mass has the pieces of rock, air and water. What this contains? This contains small rocks, air, we have air in this and we have water in this. Yes, this powdery mass has small rocks in it, air and water present in this. Yes, trapped inside and this is known as soil. Trapped inside means, children, trapped means it holds. Yes, trapped. Caught in this powdery mass. So, what is this powdery mass? Powdery mass is a soil. From large rocks, they break into small particles. From small particles, they break into small powdery mass. That powdery mass contains rocks, small rocks, air and water. This powdery mass is known as soil. All these are trapped and this becomes soil. Trapped inside and this is known as soil. Yes. Besides rock pieces, soil also has organic and inorganic matter and humus. So what this has? It has organic matter, inorganic matter. And it has humus. Yes, this powdery mass is a mixture of small rocks, air, water, inorganic matter, organic matter and humus. This powdery mass is known as soil. So what it contains? It contains small rocks, children. It has water in it. It has air in it. It has organic matter. What is organic matter, children? Iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Yes? Water. Water contains hydrogen. Air contains carbon dioxide. Yes? Air contains carbon dioxide. Yes? What are organic matter? What are inorganic matters, children? Iron, calcium, magnesium. See, all this contained in this soil. And organic matter. What are organic matters, children? The remains of dead plants and animals. Yes? And what is humus? Humus is an organic matter, children. Humus is a dark organic matter made up of dead and decayed plants and animals. Matter, yes. What humus contain? Dead and decayed plants and animals. The animals which are dead and which are spoiled, which are broken into small parts, which are rotten. Yes, all this containing humus. For example, if small insects and animals die in the soil, their bodies are known as humus. In the same way, when the plants die, their leaves, they break down, their leaves, their stem, their flowers, their twigs form humus. Yes, all this contains humus. Humus is contained in soil. So what is humus, children? Humus is a dark organic matter which contains dead and decayed plants and animals. Yes. What is humus, children? Humus is an organic matter which contains dead and decayed plants and animals. So, when the animals or insect dies, their bodies form humus. When the plants die, their leaf, their stem, their twigs, their flowers becomes humus. So, humus plays an important role in the soil, children. Humus contains nutrients. Yes, humus contains nutrients, children. So, humus is very important for the soil to keep it fertile. Humus keeps the soil fertile, children. Yes, humus keeps the soil fertile. Humus is the remains of living materials. We can also say that humus is the remains of living materials, that means children, plants and animals. Yes, I have already told you it is a mixture of dead and decayed plants and animals. Okay. So humus becomes a part of the soil. Humus is also a part of soil. Humus is a part of soil. Yes, humus is a remain of living material. Humus is a part of soil. It makes the soil fertile. Soil fertile. Yes, humus makes the soil fertile, children. It adds nutrients to the soil. See, children, this is how the formation of soil is there. The formation of soil contains a process. That process is called weathering. So, large rocks, due to sun's exposure, due to sun's heat, due to wind, due to rain, rocks crack down and they become into small particles. They become into small particles. These small particles again turned into powdered mass. Yes, they are again turned into powdered mass. This powdered mass is known as soil. What does soil contain, children? Soil contains rocks, small rocks. Yes, soil contains small rocks, children. It contains water. Water provides hydrogen. It contains air. Air provides carbon dioxide. It contains It contains organic matter. It contains inorganic matter. Yes, it contains humus. What is humus, children? Humus is a dark organic matter present in the soil. Yes, it is an organic matter present in the soil made of dead and decayed plants and animals. Children, when plants and animals die, they are broken into small particles they are being rotten, they are spoiled. So this will help, this decaying plants and animals is known as humus. It is very important for the plants to grow. It provides nutrients, children. Humus provides nutrients. Humus keeps the soil fertile. Humus is the remains of living materials. What are the living materials? Plants and animals. By this, I hope you have understand what is humus and how the soils are formed. First, rocks. When they are rocks, the sun's rays. When they are rocks, the sun's rays, the wind and the water crack the rocks, and the rocks break into small particles. The small particles again break down till it becomes powdered mass. That powdered mass is known as soil. What does soil contains? Small rocks, water, air, organic matter. Organic matter means what, children? Humus. Inorganic matter means what, children? Iron, calcium, magnesium. Yes? Did you understand how soil is formed and what is humus? Humus is a very important for the plant to grow, to keep it fertile. It provides nutrients to the soil. So humus is a part of soil. This is a soil, children. This is a soil. So humus is important for the soil to grow, soil to keep it fertile. It provides nutrients for the soil. Yes, and it is a part of a soil. By this you have completed. This is a process of. See, this is a rock. Rock becomes into small particles. Small particles into powdered mass. This powdered mass is known as soil. Yes, and we have learned what it contains. Yes, by this we have completed the formation of soil. The process of formation of soil is known as weathering. Always remember that. And what is humus, children? Weathering and humus. These two are the very important concepts, children. Please remember. What is weathering? The process of formation of soil. Okay? For soil to form, it is we require process, children. That process is known as weathering. What does the process include? It includes the breaking down of rock into small material, then into powdered mass. Yes? Then what is humus, children? Humus, children, is an organic matter, children. It is made of dead and decayed plants and animals. Yes, when plants and animals die, their bodies, their leaves, their stem, their flowers is known as humus. So, humus is a part of our soil. It provides nutrients for the soil. It helps to keep the soil fertile. Please remember what is weathering and what is humus. Please underline this important 2 points. Important words. Yes. By this you have completed formation of soil. Hope you all have understood. We will continue the next concept in our next video. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.